my beautiful friends. I'm super happy because I finally received my Oracle deck from makeplayingcards.com, which is one of the most reputed printing cards and board games company in the world. The only problem is that I've been waiting 4 fucking months, starting from when I placed purchase and when I received it, for 2 reasons. First, this is the second package. The first package is still stuck somewhere in Germany for no reason, and it's just disappeared. So when I reached back to them, they had unfortunately they had a technical issue. So I waited 1 more week before they replied to me. Then they finally sorted out very professionally. They sent it to me for free in express mode. So thank you very much, Make Playing Cards. This is very professional of you. But then it was stuck in in the country, in the customs, for how long? 4 weeks, I guess. It's incredible, and we had to pay taxes on top of that. It's incredible. So unfortunately, my project was to be able, because they have a very nice. You can check them, makeplayingcards.com. They have a very nice system where whatever you design, you can make it available to buy for anyone. That was my plan, because I know that a lot of people were interested about my tarot deck. No, it's not a tarot, it's an oracle. We will go through it. And unfortunately, I can't recommend Make Playing Cards for people living in Europe. I mean, outside of the US, unfortunately. So I need to find another printer, and hopefully they will be as good as them. But first, let's check how it is, because I have very high expectation. I paid quite a lot for this to have the proper thickness of paper and everything. So let's see how it is. Can we see the package? Thank you very much. I'm very lucky to have a friend with me who is doing the camera job. And that's the friend who also really helped me with the. Ooh. Oh yeah! I'm already happy with the packaging, which is exactly how I imagine it. Can we see? Is it good? The light. So the Mirror of the Maker. My artist name Aina Secernbiu. So Aina is the name of the feminine energy I'm in touch with, and leads my inspiration in magic since those many years. And Secernbiu mean the golden path in old Egyptian, from the cycle of Dune. So I think it was very proper. So as you can see here, I got a little text. Maybe I will unwrap it, and then we're gonna read it. So because once again the project was to make that box available for purchasing, I'm not sure it will be possible. Or I can say it looks really nice. Yeah, I can say it does look really nice. So thank you very much for having acquired the Mirror of the Maker, which is the name. Each of those 29 cards has been directly inspired by the gatekeepers of the draconic path, and contains helpful codes addressed both to your ego and your inner self. Either for divination, magical ritual, meditation, focus, or self-discovery, please enjoy this oracle created with the intent to stimulate your natural works and experiments. May you awake as the eternal maker and soar forever, higher and higher in the ascension. Hail Tiamat, Aina Sechenbi. This is my deepest intention for everyone who would be in contact with this deck. Let's unwrap it now. I'm quite excited. Alright, so there is no foil around, which is nice actually. Damn, they're pretty big, exactly as I wanted. So that is a good thing to keep them together. And there's no plastic to scratch around, which is really nice. So that's the back. And yes, before you ask, everything has a meaning. Every card, and they can be seen upside down. So what I'm gonna do in this video, that I want to keep short, is just to comment on the technical aspect. It looks to me that it is not as bright as I would have them to be. Seems the color is a little bit dull. I'm not going to comment on the cards themselves, but you will see each of them. Oh yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed with the quality of the colors. A little bit. But no, I think it's normal. It's because it's a CMYK. Obviously, there is a toning down of the colors in the translation process. But as far as the quality of the card themselves, it could have been a little bit sturdier maybe. But I can feel the texture is very high quality. This is the kind of stuff you can spill water on and it's gonna be fine. The card's gonna survive, which is great. As well, at first I wanted the cards to be more to not have as much as white space on the left and right, but it would have required to pay much more for 100% custom format, unfortunately. Because as you can see, this is a double square, which in Magic, if you know, it's like the altar, you have two squares, 4. So it's a matrix of 8 by 4 by 1. No, actually, I really like the quality. It's really nice. I can't wait to try them and to make some reading, which I will just after for my friend who helped me get this deck from the customs. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one as well. All in all, I'm really proud of this deck. Yes, it does look nice. So it's the second version. I have a prototype which I shown yesterday. Maybe one day I will show you the prototype side by side. This card was not in the prototype at first. It came after as an inspiration. And yes, there is a specific sequence to read the cards, to go into stories of whatever happened. I like this one. I like them all, obviously. I draw them. Yeah. The harvest. Then we go. There are 3 main sequences in the deck, which is not obvious for those who doesn't have the cards. This is the last sequence. Communicate. Right. There's one. The Sanskrit behind. Tatvamasim. Tatvamasi. You are that. Command. Yeah. Spider. Form. One of my favorite. Letting go. Open your heart. This one. Beautiful as well. I'm self-congratulating myself. And the map. And this one, it's a back and forth. That's it. So that was the unboxing of my Oracle cards, and I can't wait to give it a try now. So I hope you like it. And if you want to purchase it, well, it will require me, honestly, it will require me a little bit of work to check in makeplayingcards.com, because, and if you want the exact same one, it's going to cost a lot as well. So I'm not sure it will be interesting to order, even if I earn nothing, the lowest cost. We'll see. Tell me in the comments if you would be, if you will be interested of having this deck. If there are enough people who say so, yeah, I will do a little bit of work into that maybe. Otherwise, if you live in Europe, you're gonna have to wait for me to give another to find another solution. But also, what we could do, I just have the idea right now. Why not? I could try to do some reading for fun online. Just tell me if you want a reading. I could do it. I would do it for free. I mean, unless there are 100 person asking for a reading, I would do it just as a hobby because it's just fun and it should be fun. That's it. Thank you very much. See you soon.